Welcome to the Open Science Academy. Welcome to Chapter 2 of the ebook by Peter Jakubowski, No Evolution Without Revolution, entitled The Unified Family of All Physical Quantities. In this first video we are learning the basic movements on the unified family planes. At first, please read some explanations on the next page. If necessary, please stop the video as long as you need. On the central place of the dynamic plane of our unified family, we see the universal unity, the universal creative potential, allowing us to create all physical quantities we need in our physical description of nature. At first we visualize the two internal components of the creative potential, the quantum dimension r, leading also to the quantum area A, and the quantum time, or period t. The dimension, or size of a quantum, is the material component of each created quantum, and the time, or period, of a quantum is the spiritual component of the same quantum. Next we define the reciprocal dimension, termed the quantum wave vector k, and the reciprocal period, termed the quantum frequency f. Finally, we see the quantum speed c, created as our first combination of the material and spiritual properties of the quantum. Here we see the central part of the dynamic plane of the unified family, containing some further physical quantities. They all have been created from the universal unity through the basic multiplications of its material and spiritual components, as shown previously for the quantum speed c. The most important new result is the quantum mass, created as a simple product of the quantum area A and the quantum period t. It is an unexpectedly simple solution of the long-lasting mystery, what is mass? Another important quantity is the quantum frequency flux, being a product of the quantum area A and the quantum frequency f. It is a measure of the quantum own rotation, or circulation, in the traditional physics also called the quantum spin. The quantum acceleration A is the quantum speed times its frequency, or alternatively the quantum frequency squared times the quantum length. It is also important to note that the quantum density of mass is the reciprocal quantity to the quantum speed. What means, for example, that the speed of light in a medium reversely correlates to the mass density of the medium. Please also note the position of the quantum speed squared along the diagonal direction of the plane. Here we see the full dynamic plane of the unified family of all physical quantities. We are going to describe it in detail in the following videos. Please note here the positions of such important physical quantities like energy W, force F, action J, or the gravitational factor G. However, we cannot find the typical electrodynamical quantities like electric charge or magnetic field on this dynamic plane directly. It is because the electrical and magnetic phenomena have been separately discovered from the dynamical ones. Please read the explanation on the next page. The electrodynamic plane contains all these electrical and magnetic physical quantities we are looking for. They can be arranged in a similar material-spiritual system of axes. The only difference to the dynamic plane is that new role of the universal unity is played by another number covering the crossing of the column 0 and the row 0. It is the planar density of the electric current, J, equivalent to the magnetic induction B. It is interesting to note that the electric charge Q takes on the electrodynamic plane the same place as the quantum mass on the dynamic plane. Please watch the next videos for more information about the unified family.